Welcome back, YouTube. Another episode of Old Glory Garage. On this one, it's my birthday as of last week, so I was lucky and fortunate enough to be able to get some garage time this weekend, because that's all I really wanted, is some time to work on the project truck. We have a lot of parts to clean. Go to the sandblaster if my air compressor doesn't die and cry the whole time. And then we still have that to rip out. And then what do you know? We are taking a family trip here soon, so we got to work on the Suburban again. Yesterday, we went up to my mom's house, which is a good distance away. And what do you know? The other caliper that I didn't replace on it, because I was trying to be cheap, save money, also seized up on me. So remember to change your fluids, please. That's one of the few things I haven't done, is flush out the brake fluid, which it's looking like I probably just need to do the whole system flush at the same time. So let's get at it, as promised. I know I've been busy, still got a day job. We're gonna try to rip that thing out of there. Let's go.
Progress isn't always a straight line. Sometimes it's endless, mind-numbing hours of eating sandblaster grit, choking on grinding dust, and chasing rust into corners you didn't even know existed. It's white knuckles on a wire wheel, deafening air compressors, and questioning every life choice that led to taking on a vintage frame restoration. We might feel like we're just converting hours of sweat into a slightly cleaner pile of steel, but we don't quit. We don't walk away when the arms are heavy, and we don't stop until every square inch is prepped, clean, and ready for paint. Grab those safety glasses, turn up the music, and let's get back to work. We've got a truck to build.
Looking down at those who left me, promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy, Brody, moving state to state. Make $1 million out to send me, plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies, I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who?
Well, 2 done. I consider this done for the lower control arm. It needs a little bit of, I guess, acetone wash, just make sure there's nothing still in the pores on it. Oh, there's a little bit of grease that came out of the end. This I need to acetone wash, because there's still grease chunks stuck in some of the corners that are just like baked on. And I want to try to prepare this upper control arm, but we need to tape it off real good. I don't want blasting media getting down into it or messing with the taper on it, surface finish. So this is ready to go in, and then the upper piece for it's ready to go in. This one we're going to try to weld. Don't be like me, sketchy things. I think it's alright. If it breaks, I'll just replace it. It's fine. So, more blasting. Here we go. Alright, same step to the process.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh. Yeah, I've been wanting this forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Work with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip.
Hey guys, so we are making progress finally. We got our first little piece painted. I know, it's just a shock. It's boring. It's dumb, but I don't really need a 2-stage paint for that. So we're just doing some self-etching primer on it and a little rattle can. Oh, so far, I know, it just shocks. I get it. Nothing cool, but slowly working through a pile of parts. 1:40 is all that thing let me blast before I have to let it recharge, which takes a couple minutes. But I got these ones all, I guess, at least acetone, slightly cleaned. A couple other parts over there cleaned, ready for paint. Probably gonna do the 2-stage stuff on those. And we still have this pile over here to work on. And most of this stuff up here is pretty much ready to go for paint or to be reassembled. So we're getting there soon enough. I hope to get at least this, have a rolling front suspension before I start tearing into that thing, just to keep a little bit of room open out here. But we will keep working on this thing. So keep watching, appreciate y'all. There's a lot of work involved with this, a lot of people don't show. I'm trying to make those hyperlapse real fast pieces, but you see the details of what we're actually doing here, so let's go.
Do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex, but good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. A moment can live on forever.
We're done.
They don't
let me
here
for a couple days.
Firepower in this coalition.